You can't strategize and go into a game like this क्योंकि जो आप plan करके जाओगे उसका उल्टा ही होने वाला है. I don't want to waste my energy getting scared about something that could happen. So I've thought of making some good friends, like great friends on the show, and that's it. A lot of times you don't realize what your weaknesses are till you are put in that position.
बिग बॉस के इस कंट्रोवर्शियल घर का हिस्सा बनने के लिए है ऑल सेट एंड रेडी मायशा, जिनको आप लोगों ने देखा था MTV एस ऑफ स्पेस में. Well, Maisha has been a part of that game show and has understood कि गेम खेली कैसे जाती है. लेकिन Ace of Space and Big Boss are totally different platforms, and ये कहना सही होगा that Maisha is all the more excited to explore this new territory by her real and raw self. तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं मायशा को और जानते हैं what does she want to share about her expectations out of the show, her strategies and what not from the Big Boss का घर itself. Firstly, welcome to Daily Chakkar Maisha. क्या कहना चाहेंगी, कितनी excited है, कितनी nervous है इस controversial journey के लिए?
To be very honest, it's a perfect blend of excitement and nervousness, and it's the good kind of nervousness. So yeah, it's all great.
Any plans है ना, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ पे आप strategies बनाने का कोई फायदा नहीं. You don't know what kind of situation you're gonna be put in. But any preparations that you've done for this stint of yours कि क्या करूँगी और क्या नहीं करूँगी types?
Honestly, like आपने जो बहुत सही बोला है कि you can't strategize and go into a game like this क्योंकि जो आप plan करके जाओगे उसका उल्टा ही होने वाला है. ठीक है. Again, even if I prepare something कि अरे मैं first week ये करूँगी वो करूँगी, ये साल उन्होंने एक जंगल ऐड कर दिया है. So you never know what can happen in Big Boss. So yeah, I have actually prepared to just go head on.
Okay, so there's like a perception in the mind of people कि उनको लगता है कि जब कलाकारों के पास कुछ मतलब good projects नहीं है या फिर they are not working on any projects for that matter for a long time, Big Boss is the key, either to make a comeback or when they want to be seen. What was your reason to actually choose and say yes to Big Boss?
Thankfully, I was very, very fortunate for Big Boss to come this early in my life. Okay, because I've seen Big Boss, a lot of people doing Big Boss much later on in their career, and I'm very, very fortunate and grateful that Big Boss happened to me at this stage in my career. And when a show like Big Boss comes to you, I mean, you have to just embrace it. You're like, yes, thank you, Big Boss, come to me. So obviously, I mean, it's such a huge platform that I was just ecstatic that I got an opportunity to be on Big Boss.
Have you been following the old seasons of Big Boss or no?
Sorry, I've seen bits and pieces of the old seasons, but Big Boss 14, I had seen it because हम सब quarantine में थे, all of that. हम घरों में थे. So I followed quite a bit of season 14.
Okay, in that regards, there's बाकी contestants, so चलो we are all speculating and wait for the final people to actually come out. बट एक एक्टर है कलाकार है जिनके बारे में सबको पता है because Big Boss OTT से वो golden ticket लेके he's entering Big Boss 15 and he was there with you in Ace of Space 2. So like how excited, or maybe you are just basically just simply you're like, okay, I am gonna be catching up with Prateek once again in another game show. What is like feeling inside?
Honestly, with Prateek, we had done Ace of Space 1. We were on this Ace of Space 1 together, and initially, I mean, for the longest time, we wouldn't even talk. But then towards the end, we became really close and became great friends, and we continued that friendship outside. I mean, we in between we got busy with our own work, and we got busy in our lives. But we on and off we kept keeping in touch. But ever since Big Boss, the news is out or whatever, we've not really spoken. So from my side, so it's going to be like super warm, and I'm going to be like really like अरे मेरा दोस्त है type. Now, I mean, I can't foresee how he's going to react, but I hope it's going to be in a very positive way. So yes, hoping for the best.
Okay, so Big Boss के घर में कितनी बार देखा जाता है, contestants की personal life को target कर दिया जाता है, बहुत easily किया जाता है. So anything that you are afraid of, or maybe anything that will actually trigger you if it's talked about on the show by the contestants, maybe?
Honestly, that way, I think I'm very honest when it comes to my life. It's, I mean, if someone even normally asks me something about my life, maybe I would just end up telling them if I trust them that much. Also, I do not believe in getting scared of the unknown. तो मुझे पता भी नहीं कि शायद कोई झगड़ा हो या शायद कोई ये बोल दे, तो मैं I don't want to waste my energy getting scared about something that could happen, rather than spending my energy being so happy and grateful about this current situation and this moment that I am in.
Okay, so if we go by what Colors had posted, it showed that kaise tribes mein you gonna get, kind of, wherein the ex Big Boss winners are gonna hosting, or maybe they're gonna leading the tribes, Rubina, Gauhar and Shweta. So if that's how it is, and if you get to choose your tribe leader, whose tribe would you want to be in?
Okay, I hadn't read about this. I will give
It's on
it
the Colors ka. It's on the Colors ka page. Rubina, Gauhar and Shweta, तीनों का.
Okay, you've given me something to think about. Thank you. But yeah, if I had to choose, I mean, all three of them are like super strong women. And imagine we have 3 women leading, which is such a big deal in itself. So I think I'm okay with either, but I have actually seen Gauhar's game quite a bit. So I think if I had a chance to choose, maybe Gauhar, yeah.
Big Boss के घर में we've always seen, Maisha, a lot of bonds बनते बिगड़ते हैं पूरे season overall जब तक end होता है. But there are times when we see that love connections also happening. So in your mind, have you been, मतलब क्या कोई ऐसा strategy है कि okay, this is how I'll actually maybe target and go ahead, or maybe I'll just play my game and go ahead? What is it like? Are you open for all that or no?
Okay, so I have not really thought about I've thought of making some good friends, like great friends on the show, and that's it. I don't know whether I would fancy any guy on the show because I don't even know the boys yet. I don't want to think too ahead of time. But yeah, I'm actually going, and I think I'll make some great friends. I'm not even sure if I am ready to mingle. But again, Big Boss ke ghar mein, and if you are in an enclosed space for all these days, you never know what can happen.
Okay, what are your strengths and your weaknesses? Something that you think can be targeted on the show?
A lot of times you don't realize what your weaknesses are till you are put in that position. Sometimes you can think you're the strongest nut in the world, but then if there is a nutcracker is when you realize that, oh, this was my weakness. So when I think of it now, I don't really know what my weaknesses are. I mean, I will get to know maybe like in the whole Big Boss level, I will get to know about my weaknesses when something of that sort happens and I'm like, ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. And strengths, again, I don't really know. I think I'm just going to be myself, and I think me being me is my biggest strength because there's no one like me and I'm not like anyone else. So that will be my strength.
Before I jump to the game part of it, but any materialistic thing that you are carrying that you're afraid of losing inside the Big Boss house? Because over the seasons we have seen कैसे Big Boss game palat देते हैं, they take away your things.
But then if I tell you this and then it comes in an interview and the wildcard sees it, they will target it. So I'm not telling you.
So you are carrying something, that means.
ये मत डालना, ये काट देना.
The last thing that I would like to know here is that, now that you're entering the Big Boss ka house, a lot of your friends might have been following Big Boss, or maybe they would have been a part of Big Boss or anything. Did they give you any kind of a do's and don'ts का list or something for that matter?
मैंने पूछा ही नहीं. मैंने बोला please तुम लोग मत बताओ. I want to go as myself, go as raw Maisha, and I want to be myself, and I mean that's the side I want people to see, not something that has been fed into me.
Perfect. Any parting words, Maisha, for the fans, because they're gonna see once again आपका real side after that reality show, जहाँ पर उनको एक छोटा सा side आपका देखने को मिला था. But any parting words?
My parting words to my fans would be that thank you so much for always supporting me and giving me more love than I could ever expect or imagine. You all have just given me immense and unconditional love. So please keep supporting me, and I just hope I don't let you all down. That's it.
Well, I wish you all the luck, and I really hope that the next conversation that we guys are happening is gonna be like when the finale approaches.
Yes,
so that we see you then.
Thank you
so much. Well, thank you so much guys for watching today's chat session with me, Vishakha Pandey, जहाँ आज मेरी मेहमान थी माइशा, जिनको आप लोग देख रहे हैं बिग बॉस के इस अनोखे घर में. I really hope that you will love watching her in the house itself, and if yes, don't forget to tell us in the comment sections below. Until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandey, signing off for now. You stay tuned to Telly Chocolate for all the more updates about the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.